Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, class, tell me what is the day today? Today is Tuesday and which day today? 26th of January 2021. What is the weather like today? Sunny day. Today is sunny day and it's your maths period. Okay, let's start our day with numbers. 1 and 1, 11, 1 and 2, 12, 1 and 3, 13, 1 and 4, 14, 1 and 5, 15, 1 and 6, 16, 1 and 7, 17, 1 and 8, 18, 1 and 9, 19, 2 and 0, 20. Today we will do the something new. Our topic is writing practice of numbers from 11 to 20. Okay class, open your workbook, open page number 62. Which number is this? 1 and 1, 11. Okay, we will count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 and 1, 11. Okay, we will write number 11 from here. Trace the dots. 1 and 1, 11. And complete this line. Make a straight line. Start from the top. Make a straight line like this. Okay, and now which number is this? 1 and 2, 12. 1 and 2, 12. Okay, let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, now we will write number 12. Make a straight line like this and then makes a curve, go down and then make a sleeping line number 12 and complete this line. Okay, tell me which number is this? 1 and 3, 13. 1 and 3, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 and 3, 13. Make a straight line. Start from the top. Make a curve and then makes another curve. It's a number 3. Okay, and now tell me which number is this? 1 and 4, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 1 and 4, 14. Make a straight line. Then we will write number 4. Make a slanting line. Then make a sleeping line. Go to the middle and then make a straight line. It's a number 4. Which number is this? 15. 1 and 5, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now we will write number 15. Make a straight line. Start from the top. Make a sleeping line. Then make a slanting line. And then make a curve. 1 and 5, 15. Okay, now tell me which number is this? 16. 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 6, 16. So let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we will write number 16. Make a straight line. Then make a slanting line and make a curve. Go round like this. Okay, which number is this? 17. Make a straight line. Then make a slipping line and slanting line. 7. 1 and 7, 17. Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And now we will write number 18. 1 and 8, 18. So let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Make a straight line, then make a circle, go round, and then make another circle like this. 1 and 8, 18. Okay, tell me which number is this? 1 and 9, 19. Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, now we will write number 19. Make a straight line. Then make a curve and go to the top and make a straight line. Okay, now we will write number 20. 2 and 0, 20. Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2 and 0, 20. We will make a curve and then make a slanting line, go down and then make a sleeping line. Okay, and now we will write the 0. Make a circle, go round. 2 and 0, 20. Okay class, complete your work and do recognize numbers from 1 to 20 and send me your work picture. Okay class, thank you and Allah Hafiz.